everyone, today we're going to be going through my glitter collection. So as you see, I have this drawer that's full of makeup glitter. So I was told to do an updated one, so I thought I would. Not a lot has changed, but I have added like a couple. So if you want to see my full glitter collection, just keep watching. Side note, if you have any other videos you'd like to see me do, let me know down below. Let's get into this collection. I have a huge majority, hi Simon, of different types of glitters and different brands. I have some pressed glitters, but these are mostly loose glitters, so I think I'll go through the loose glitters first. So the first few things we have are some Abh Cosmetics electric pigments. Now these are obviously not glitters, but I have them in my glitter drawer because they have a shine to them, so that's why I keep them there. I don't really think I should keep them in there, but that's where I have them right now. I have a lot of Abh Cosmetics glitters. They're just a brand that I picked up a lot of because they were Canadian, so I wanted to support more local brands, and this is one of them. I'm really happy. Like, I have the shade Goober Grape, which is a really, really pretty grapey, glittery color. It's purple, it's fun. I really, really like it. My light glitters, I tried to organize these by color. So from like the light shades and then the purples, and then, you know, go from there. I have a lot of these Abh Holiday Pigments, which you can no longer get. They would do these for like holiday kits and stuff. They're basically just iridescent. It's kind of impossible to show them other than in the actual tube. I'm getting glitter everywhere anyways, but we knew that was gonna happen. They're like 5 different shades and they all have a different like iridescent base, which I think is really cute. My biggest part of the collection is purples. Purple's my favorite color, and clearly in my youth I bought a lot of glitter. I personally don't use glitter around the eye area unless I really think it'll go with a look. Otherwise I won't, because it isn't as eye safe. I mean, honestly, my eyes are sensitive as it is, so like usually I'll use like pressed glitters and stuff and not loose ones. But loose ones I love using like on the cheekbones or on like the brow bone or like on the outer corner or like mid lid, but nothing near the lash line. You know what I mean? My favorite type of glitter is probably like fine ones, like the fine ones that add like color and shine and like glitter, but it's not super chunky. I don't really like super big pieces, and I find like, for instance, I have MAC pigments, and these glitters are just way bigger, but it's very beautiful. So it depends on what type you like. The MAC glitters have way bigger particle sizes, whereas like these ABH ones are obviously very fine glitters. I prefer fine glitters. Ooh, the shade Boogie Nights. Ooh, that's a really pretty like lavendery blue. Makes sense why it's with the blues then. But I really like that. Pretty. See, just stuff like that. That's kind of the reason I have it, just to add shine and glitz. But yeah, like even I have the MAC pigment on my hand. I keep saying pigment, it's the glitter. And like here I can see the fine ABH pigments, and I keep saying pigments. But you guys know what I mean. I have this little pixie kit that has some pressed glitters in it. I literally just kept it for this purple glitter because it is just way too pretty not to keep and use someday. So then I just ended up keeping the others because I'm not gonna just depot it. Those are pigmented. Wow. See, glitters always get me. It's like, I want to use you on my eyes, but another color story that I am obsessed with, Abh Cosmetics, whenever they have glitters like this, I highly suggest you go check them out. These are one of the best loose glitters I've found that are affordable, because they are very fine like ABH, but they shine, they're fun, and they're affordable. So that's how I like to do that. I do also have like makeup sequins is what I call them, but they are like nail glitter and stuff. So like shapes, so like hearts, bats, stars, all that stuff. I think I'm gonna do a separate video on all of that because that's sort of a whole different vibe. That's like makeup like accessories to me, like makeup like, I don't know, it's just different than glitter. Oh my god, this shade, Rainbow Ride by Lit Cosmetics, is a literal ride. Like, that makes me think of going to the exhibition, which is like a carnival or whatever. But like, that is really, really pretty. I love that. Like, why am I doing that? So, love that all over my lid. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, I need to do looks with more glitter. Like, even on the cheek. Ooh, if I did like a really like orange like blush look, that would be cute. And then like have glitter as like freckles. Ooh, that'd be cute. So like I said, this is where I have all of the like lighter and like iridescent pigments. I have a lot. Like, these Essence ones are okay. They're not as good quality in my opinion as the ABH, but they're still really pretty. And I mean, if you need an affordable option, they're there. They're gonna add that shine that you want. Oh, Shroud Cosmetics, which used to be Strobe Cosmetics, Otherworldly is so pretty. So here's what the glitter looks like. You can see in the pan the shift. It's like a green, but it has like a really pretty orangey shift. It's gorgeous. It's meant to be like a duochrome type multi-chrome sort of glitter, and I'm really down for it. I think with like super dark eyeshadow and this on the center of the lid would be such a cute halo eye. And this is just in my natural lighting without a ring light. It is just a gorgeous shade, and I highly recommend trying them. I think it's really good quality. Another favorite, I have this Sailor Moon official glitter, and I'm obsessed. It's a pressed glitter. I mean, the compact itself is just gorgeous. But this is what the beauty looks like. It's just so freaking pretty. I love it so much. It's another one of those sort of iridescent ones, but it obviously has that chunky moon glitter in it. I just think it's fun. That's how it looks. Like, it's just, it makes me think of Sailor Venus, to be honest. Lastly, I wanted to talk about really neon fun glitters. I think the BH Cosmetic ones are probably my favorite. I did see ABH do them as well, and I do think that, like, I think this yellow tops that one, but they're different tones, you know, like this one's a more darker, richer yellow, and this one's more light and fun. These are the Shroud Cosmetics, which again used to be Strobe Cosmetics. I'm gonna have to do a look with these. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to do a fun look with some glitter, because that would be fun. My entire collection is just a mix of like NYX, MAC, ABH, Pixie, Lit Cosmetics, Shroud Cosmetics, and then some other miscellaneous, you know, like I would definitely recommend the BH Cosmetics glitters if you ever get a chance. They are really good quality. Lit Cosmetics is probably my favorite brand to get glitter from other than Shroud. Shroud has really, really fun glitters, so I would highly recommend that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video.